Welcome again to How to Cook with Chef Ina. So today, inspired by my previous recipe, Pad Thai, we're still going to make a recipe that came from Thailand. So our recipe for today, we're going to cook chicken panday.
Ilan pa ang pamatay ng bata?
Pandan. Let's start making our chicken pandan. So to start with, of course, we're going to start marinating our chicken. So what's new, sabi ko kanina, with a twist, right? So what's new with our chicken pandan? The part of the chicken. Usually, chicken pandan, the authentic chicken pandan, they use breast part or thigh part. But today, we're going to try and use chicken wings. Okay? Why chicken wings? Because right now in the Philippines, it's a fad. People love chicken wings. Malasa kasi siya. Mabilis manuot yung lasa sa loob ng chicken wings because basically maraming mabuto siya. Okay, usually ang manok pagka mabuto, 'di ba? Kaya gusto natin ng thigh part, gusto natin mga Pilipino yung sinasagad natin sa buto yung pagkain ng manok kasi nasa buto ang lasa ng manok. So, that's why we're going to use chicken wings today. Let's add all the ingredients. So let's start with the dry ingredients first. So first we need the white pepper. Okay? So, lalagay ko na yung pagkasunod-sunod dito. Then we need minced garlic. This is one of my favorite ingredients, guys. Every time I cook, I always try to put garlic in all of my recipe. Why? Because this is really good. I believe that it brings out the flavor of the food. It entices the flavor of the food. Para siyang salt para sa akin. Ganun ko siya kagusto. Nagusto ko lagi siyang nasa pagkain. But with the chicken pandan, kailangan talaga natin ng garlic. So let's put the garlic. So next is ginger. Ginger is a very good addition to any Asian recipe because ginger brings out the authentic Asian taste. Okay, so let's add ginger, minced ginger also. Okay, I want the ginger a bit strong. Medyo halata dapat yung lasa niya kagad pagka kinain natin yung chicken natin. And then let's add our coriander. So this is fresh coriander. See? This is coriander. Okay. So this is fresh coriander. I minced it, chopped it. So let's put coriander. You can use ground coriander, the dried one, if you cannot find the fresh one. Pero of course, fresh is always better than the dried. Okay. There. And then, let's add the sugar. So let's add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. So that's about it. And then let's add all the liquid ingredient. Let's first add the oyster sauce. This is about 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then, let's add some light soy sauce. So, light soy sauce is already easy to buy here in the Philippines. It's already here. So, this is about 1/4 cup. Okay? And then we have, again, it's not Thai if there's no fish sauce. Okay? So, this is Thai fish sauce. About 2 tablespoons. And, lastly, our sesame oil. Sesame oil is, again, one Asian ingredient that is very good to have every time you make these kinds of food. Just put them there. So let's mix. Okay, so just put it aside for a while and we'll add one ingredient that we really like. That's very important. Some do not do this. Okay, some they just wrap the chicken with their pandan. Okay, tapos sasabihin nila pandan na yun. But us, we're going to really incorporate the pandan in the marinade. Okay? So first, thing to do is, of course, you need to wash this. So this is washed already before we started this video. And then, we chop them up a bit, like that. Okay? So, this is about it. And then, if you have a food processor or a blender, get them. And then, here, this is what I have. And I super love this equipment, guys. I just bought it from Lazada. So, put the pandan leaves there. So, if you have a blender, you can use a blender. If you have a food processor, that's better. Okay? Just put the pandan leaves there. And then, add some hot water. You can smell it out already. Grabe ang bango ng pandan. And then, just cover it like this. Put this on top. And then you blend it. Grabe ang bango niya. You can use lukewarm water, pero if you want it faster na ma-extract yung lasa ng pandan, use hot water. Okay? So, you can really smell it. So, we'll add this to our marinade. Now, you strain it into our mixture. So, you need to strain it para walang pandan na sumama. Kasi ang pandan, usually, pag maliliit na ganyan, baka pumasok sa loob ng chicken natin, baka pumait. Okay? So, we want to strain it so we can just get the flavor. Okay? You can do this. Okay, now you get all the flavors of the pandan. So good. Alright, now we mix together. Okay, mix. Now we need to just add our chicken. Add them. Yeah. Needs to be submerged in the marinade. So let's cover with cling wrap. And then let's place it in the chiller for about 1 to 2 hours. So while waiting for our chicken to be marinated well, let's make the dipping sauce for the chicken wings panday.
Sabi ko, ilan pa ang pamatay ng bata?
Pandan. Ano ba yan? Seryoso yun. Hindi ko nalagyan na. Okay. So first off, let's put apart. Toast our sesame seeds. So, why do we need to toast it? To bring out its natural aroma. Same way na ginagawa natin sa mga mani natin. Okay? Parang paangatin. Sa peanuts natin. Okay? Para ilabas yung natural lasa ng peanuts. Okay? So, let's toast it. No oil. No oil. Just using a non-stick pan. Okay? Okay, just toast it. Usually, this just takes a few minutes. Mapapansin nyo siya, it turns a little bit brown. Kanina white siya, magiging onting beige to light brown. And then, mapapansin nyo, medyo lumalagkit siya. Okay, ng onte. So, that means it's toasted already. Tapos makikita nyo, medyo tumatalsik-talsik siya, no? Parang popcorn. Okay, so it's now becoming, look at the color, it changes already. It's starting to become beige. Okay, so that's done. It's now not white, it's beige, super light brown. Okay, so it's toasted. Grabe. Grabe yung Thai food. Grabe yung ano nila sa aroma ng pagkain. Very important sa kanila yun. So now let's put our dark soy sauce. Okay. And then, let's put our light soy sauce. So, taking out of the heat kasi masyadong mainit yung ating pan. You know, when you cook, you always have to make tansya. Also of the heat. So, medyo mainit kanina yung pan natin, kaya tinaas ko siya para hindi masunog yung soy sauce. Kasi, pag nasunog ang soy sauce, mag-evaporate yung liquid, sobra siyang aalat. Then, let's add our sugar. Okay? And, so medyo tumigil na siya. Let's add about a pinch of salt. And let's halo. Alright, so just let it boil for a bit. So nasa low heat lang tayo. Let it boil. If you want it a bit thick, so sometimes gusto natin yung sauce natin thick, you can again food processor this para madurog yung sesame seeds. So para medyo maging pasty siya ng onto. Alright. You can also add Thai chili if gusto mo na medyo mas maanghang pa siya. Okay, so it has been 2 hours since we marinated our chicken. Okay, so I think it's now ready to be wrapped in pandan. Okay, so smells good. Smells good. So let's get the chicken. Let's get one piece. Okay. Then let's get pandan leaves. Put our chicken together like that. And then just wrap. Para lang natin siyang ginagawang baby. Labas natin yung wing para maganda yung tsura niya. Para hindi may arte ang kanyang damit. And then let's just insert the end. So everything is wrapped already with pandan leaves. So here we got our steamer. Okay, it has water already inside. And para for more flavor, I'm gonna put my extra pandan leaves. Okay. And then put my strainer. Okay. And let's start putting our chicken. And then let's close it. Let's wait until it's fully steamed and then we'll fry it for our last procedure. Okay, so it usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to steam our chicken wings, pandan. So 15 minutes it's up. Let's check. Wow. So smells so good. Look at that. Okay, so let's just heat up our oil. Let's I'm going to waiting for my oil to reach at least 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so or 365 degrees Fahrenheit, because since our chicken is already cooked, right? We've already steamed it. We are just going to cook the outside. Ooh. Grabe. Smells good. Can't wait.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off.
Alright, so our oil is super hot already. So it's about 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's drop our wings. Buhay pa. Okay. Oh. Hear that sound? That sound indicates perfectly hot oil. Ayaw lumapit yung cameraman, yung camera girl, kasi magpuputokan siya ng chika. After 2 minutes, turn. Wow, look at that color. Very nice. Look at that color. Okay, so it's done. Look at that. Chicken pandan. There you have it. Chicken wings pandan by Chef Ina. Subukan na natin. My favorite part. Siyempre, walang kusinero na hindi pwedeng tikman ng pagkain dahil bago sa iba, kailangan tikman. Para sigurado kang masarap yung luto mo, di ba? Dami excuses, no? So, take out the pandan. Pagkatapos natin maghirapang ikabit kanina, tanggalin natin siya. Best way to eat chicken wings, guys, is eat it with your hands. So, let's try. Wow, look at that. Very tender in the inside and crispy on the outside. Let's try. Kinikilig ako. Kinikilig ako. Ang sarap. Kinikilig ako. Kinikilig talaga ako. First time ko magluto ng chicken panday. Ay, pandan. Ano ba yan? Tapos na nga. Nagkakamali pa rin. Pero eto, tingnan natin na. Usually, sa wing part, yung head niya, yung lollipop, di ba? Ayaw natin yun kasi ma-dry. Pero let's try this one. Can I just hug myself now?
Oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think
Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa recipe natin na chicken wings pandan. And sarap pulutan ito. Mga dudes, pare, mare, Mars, besh. Ang sarap pulutan ito. Promise. Para may iba naman ng chicken wings nyo, gawin nyo to sa party nyo. Okay? Thank you for watching How to Cook with Chef Ina. Again, this is chicken wings pandan. And hope you like this and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye!